Hi, you guys. It's Jessica, CEO of GLOWBIOTICS with Dawn.
Yep, Director of Global Education.
And we are here to introduce our brand new body products that just launched and a holiday kit that comes with the body products in it. So holidays are here, and they came so fast. I don't even know how this happened.
I know.
But let's talk body products. We just launched 2 new products, and they are a citrus coconut body wash or shower gel and a body lotion. So what makes these so great?
Well, not only the incredible scent, I mean the citrus coconut, and it's not overwhelming by any means. It's very light, very refreshing, but it will make you escape to the beach. So it's very nice. But they're enriched with vitamin E for a little bit of extra hydration, as well as our probiotics, which is so important to balance that microbiome within the skin. And in the winter, when we get extra dry and we kind of get itchy, this will help to soothe. My suggestion is to either drop some into the bathtub, soak in the tub, or use it as a shower gel. I like to use a little scrubbing puff with it. And then what I do is when I get out of the shower, I kind of just pat my skin dry. I don't dry it all the way. I leave it a little damp, and then I go ahead and use the lotion while my skin's still a little damp. And what that does is it locks the moisture into your skin so that then you have this kind of barrier, and it keeps the water in the skin, stops our normal water release, which is called transepidermal water loss, from happening. And trust me, you will get compliments on this. It is absolutely lovely and beautiful, and people who have tried it are absolutely falling in love with it.
Such a great tip. That's really important to know. And I have to be honest, I like to get myself all dry. And so thanks for reminding me not to do that. So that's really helpful. And the beauty is this holiday, we have it in a really cute kit, and it comes in this bag and this really fun pink travel. It's a cosmetic bag that you can keep for yourself or give it away. And the beauty of it is the kit comes and it's $49. So if you purchase them separately, they're $62 by themselves together, or in the kit they're $49. So some holiday savings. It's 21% savings this holiday, which is absolutely phenomenal. And remember, this is a really great gift for your friends, your family, your teachers, school teachers, piano teachers, if you run a business or you have employees, or just even your coworkers.
Great gifts for your employees or coworkers, or maybe you could do a draw at work, or a Secret Santa. This would be a great gift.
And then the other thing that we have that's really kind of fun, so these are little stocking stuffers. So this is the shower gel and the lotion in 1 ounce travel sizes. So I know most of us travel something or do something for the holiday, and so you can't take this on the airplane with you. And so this is your 1 ounce, and they come in a cute little organza bag. And the beauty is, so it'll come in an organza bag, and it has a little gift card, so you kind of know what how to use the product and everything everything like that. But they're $10 for the cute little stocking stuffer ideas. And maybe you don't do stockings and you really just want it for your traveling purposes. And this is really great.
Perfect sizes.
Yeah, perfect sizes.
TSA approved.
So that is the brand new holiday kit and the new body products. So go check them out. We promise you're going to absolutely love them. Look at them. They're on the website. You can also, if you have any questions, you can contact Dawn directly at education@glowbiotics.com. You can contact customer service at cs@glowbiotics.com, or you can message us on any of our social channels, and make sure that you're following us. Tag your friends, let them know, because we have some phenomenal
you do not want to miss the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday, and we have some other things sprinkled out through the 12 days as well. So we hope that you have fun shopping and good luck with all the hustle bustle of the holidays, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.